If you guys have a passion for food and you want to try out some nice easy recipes, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell. Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today inshallah I'm going to be making a chicken curry recipe. It's a very easy and simple recipe to follow, hence also a very mouth-watering recipe to have. So let's get started. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So to start, I'm just going to go through all the ingredients. So here I've got some dried coriander. Here I've got some salt. I've got some freshly grated garlic and ginger. I've got some Garam Masala here. I'm using Korma Spice, so that's Korma Spice. That's Cumin Seeds. I've got some tomato puree and 2 white whole onions chopped. So let's get started inshallah. It's time to add in some oil. So put in a couple of tablespoons. That should be okay. That's probably like 10 tablespoons, but yeah. Okay. Okay, so it's time to add in some onion. I'll just mix it until it becomes golden brown. Now that we've mixed it a bit, guys, I'm going to place the lid and I'm going to leave it until it becomes golden brown. Add in the garlic and the ginger. Then the Garam Masala. Then the Korma Spice. Then the Cumin Seeds. Now guys, add in the dried coriander. Now mix this until it's well combined. Now it's time to add in the tomato puree, guys. Give it a mix until it's well combined and leave it to settle until the tomatoes have been cooked. Now guys, just place the lid and leave it for 5 minutes. Okay guys, just add in the salt as well. And add it in according to your own taste. And give it a mix until it's well combined into the mixture, curry mixture. And then place the lid back on and leave it for 5 minutes. Okay guys, now it's time to add in the chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's time to mix it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So guys, just continue mixing it until the mixture and the chicken is well coated together. But yeah, look at that. It does look nice, and it's not even been cooked yet. But yeah, guys, continue mixing it, and then once it's mixed well, leave it so the chicken is cooked. Now mix it well, and then leave it for 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken's cooked. See guys, the chicken has been cooked nicely. It's not cooked completely, but you have to just leave it for a couple of more minutes. But as you can see, it's getting cooked better than from what it was before. Just look at that. So it is looking nice. Just a matter of leaving it for a bit longer than the usual time now, and should cook. Yeah, I think once the water dries up a little bit more, we'll just need to add in a bit more water in there, If you guys like it liquidy, then you can add in a bit more water. But once the chicken sucks up the water, then we'll have to add in a bit more. But it's up to you guys. If you want to have it dry, a bit slightly dry, then you can. If not, then you can add in a bit more water. So it's just a matter of leaving it for another couple of minutes, and the chicken should be ready. You can add in some chopped potatoes, and you're going to add in a few potatoes. You're going to chop them up, add them in at this stage. Right now you can add them in, and then just leave it in there, place the lid and leave it for a couple more minutes, and then your chicken's ready to go. So after a little while, guys, the potatoes are made and then the chicken curry is ready to go. As you can see, guys, it looks amazing. But yeah, to top it off, cut some freshly cut coriander and garnish it on. And there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. To subscribe to my channel, click my channel logo to the top left of the screen. Jazakallah for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.